Hadin ke jingkno bagi jingpang bayade karukam ring bapni hermensim Byrnihat kila kio hado nyop persen haki arsnam nama ka jingjaboh jeng karkhana. Umenjui ka kot ka kia wailan ki shlau lo ang baki nongshong shnong ki deban IT ki jing jongki da ki jingthoh khanang baka sorkar kan sedang ya kesinjam ke bapura. Umenjui lo ang baka sorkar kamla ban le tang da ki jingkno jeng ki social media baka de ban buat iki kendon ki badon kam. Ula benra baka jingpet bini ai ka jingjaboh kadang ya chakman bala dalap ikinu kinu ki jingpin kenyi ki kendon on sapen mi ya ki hukum ki badon kam.
The guideline who have not maintained the pollution, the AQI. So we have already taken action, and I think because of all those action, just recently, if you remember, the Meghalaya State Pollution Board had received an award, based on the step they have taken in Byrnihat. So I think that itself, it is what to say, it is kind of opposite what we are hearing right now. But I'm not saying that we are, I'm not denying that whether there is no, that is an industrial area. We should not forget that. But what I'm saying is that we need to check the credibility of that, of that news, of that evidence before taking any step. If you say, if I can just comment here, I will say, what is happening in Delhi? Delhi is like the air quality in Delhi. The kind of serious kind of effect, the effect which is affecting the people living in Delhi of their health. We heard that many children are suffering now. So based on that, they will take action. So they will go through their process, they will check, they will verify, and then after that they will take action. I'm not saying that we are not doing nothing. We'll do, but we'll follow our procedure, and at the same time, because we have to be very careful when it is deal with the livelihood of the people. At the same time, with the present technology, why means like now, I think the Meghalaya State Pollution Board, if you have a chance and ask from them, because now from their office they can monitor, because they already have the sensor in place, and I think they have a proper procedure to be followed before giving the CTO and other thing. So they can all from time to time they used to go and check and submit the report, and I think if anything found, so that the proper direction will be given to them. At the same time, for your because like I said, for us also to really take this thing seriously, we need somebody, we need anything in writing. Let's say from the Rangbachnong of that area, maybe from the people living from that area or the surrounding area, anybody who can come and submit us in writing, definitely quickly will do the needful. But now, based on what it is like, somebody coming from outside and studied the survey and then give their comment and all other things. So I think based on that, if we just gonna go and do the survey, and also I think we don't have any other time. We have to just go and do all this survey and all. But for us as a government, I think it is at the same time we need to follow the procedure. We have a certain set of procedure to be followed, and I think the government is fully aware and fully concerned, and I think because of the effort from the government, that's why last time the Meghalaya State Pollution Board got the award. Otherwise, why they will be given the award? So the sad part is that because whatever we see in social media. Nothing has come in written. So I think it is very important that they should give in writing along with all the supporting data which they have. You see, because nowadays with all the technology in place, so anybody can say whatever they like. But for us as a government, we cannot just jump on anything if anybody comment, because this is related with the livelihood of the people as well. You cannot deny that, because if we just jump and if anything is impacted, like what had happened for the coal mining in 2014, NGT comes No doubt, environmental issue was there. Right? We are not denying that. But we have to also to think the impact which gonna cause the people living in that area. Which still now you see that the people are like, now they are coming to the street. So that's why I feel like as a government, I think no doubt we have to listen. We are not. I'm not saying that we are not not looking at it. No doubt we are looking at it, and we are trying to from our sources and other from other sources. We are trying to get all the details, whether it is fact or not. But we need time to process that. We cannot just say that, jump on that whatever they showed in the social media and we jump there and go for inspection, close this and that. I think that is not the way. So we have a process to follow.
But because based on the